Okay, everyone. So let's create a project on the basis of LDR sensor, and on the behalf of LDR sensor, our light will be turned off or on. So when there will be the intensity less than 2000, so we are going to program our microcontroller as when the LDR will receive an intensity less than 2000, what will happen? The LED will be automatically turned on. Okay, let's see how the connection works. So the analog output is connected to D34, and the LED is going to receive the data from D2, and the ground pin and the plus VCC pin are connected to ground and plus VCC, and in the same way the cathode of LED is connected to the ground. Okay, so let me show you the code, and I'm also going to put the code in description. So this is our code to turn off or on the LED. So let me copy this code, and I'm going to put that code in Arduino because my microcontroller is already connected. Let's see, these are the connections build up. Okay, so how you have to connect? So LDR sensor should be connected to the pin number 34, and plus VCC should be connected to the 3.3 volt, and ground should be connected to the ground as LDR sensor, and in LED anode should be connected to pin number 2, and cathode should be connected to ground. So let's go to the Arduino and let me upload the program in microcontroller. So this is how we do. It will take a well, it is not showing in the board, so let me go to the tools, click on board, and boards manager. I have to select the ESP32. Okay, select the board ESP32. Okay, okay, so I'm going to select the microcontroller ESP32 DEV module and click OK. Now it is selected and we can able to see over here. Let's upload the program. So the program is uploading and will take a few seconds. So everyone, this is our topology in which we have LDR sensor, and this is the output of LDR sensor, and that is connected to the pin number 34D34. Okay, that is connected over here, and this is plus VCC ground, and this is connected to plus VCC and ground. So ground is also connected to the LED as well as to the LDR at the same time, and the plus VCC is connected to the plus VCC, and also the output giving from the microcontroller is receiving by the LED by the pin D2. So D2 is connected to the anode of this LED. So what will happen when there will be dark over here? So LED will be turned on automatically. Okay. So this is what happens. So let me do this. So everything is ready now, and if I uh, let me put the hand on this LDR, so the dark will be there and intensity will be less than 2000, so LED will start turned on. Okay, so let me do this. So you can see that when I cover up the LDR, so LED is turning on. So again, in the same way, when I'm uh, putting the hand on this LDR in dark, so intensity is less than 2000 and LED is turning on. So this is how you can do at the same time. Have a nice day.